Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make noise reduction for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I've already dragged in my clip that I want to apply the noise reduction on. And what you want to do is go over to Fusion. Here you can see your media in and media out. To show the media in on the left, just click on the left point. What you want to do now is just hit spacebar and shift together and then search for remove noise. Then just edit. And then you can get it here in the middle of media in and media out. Okay, now on the top right, you can see under the inspector mode, you can see the control setting and the softness of red, green, blue, and the detail red, detail green, detail blue. So what you want to do is, I'm just going to increase this until, okay, that's maybe a bit too much. No, it's okay. And what you want to do is just here under the show color channel, go to red at first, okay? So it turns all black and white, but that's okay. Now you want to look at the softness red. Just zoom until it gets blurred, okay? Like this. Then, okay, that's enough. Then go to detail red until you get the details back. For example, like that. Perfect. After this, you do the same with the green one. Softness green until it's blurry and detail green until it isn't blurry anymore. And then same for blue, softness blue, like this, and detail blue, like this one. Okay, what you want to do now is just go back to color, and then on the right, you go from the method color to chroma, okay? It just adds a bit more noise, but we can fix that by increasing the softness luma. For example, like this, yes. And then the detail luma again. And then the softness chroma. Okay, just, like this, for example. And the detail chroma again. Okay, perfect. Now we can just, let me zoom in here, like this. And now you can see there is a big difference. For example, in the sky here, it's very noisy, and here it isn't noisy anymore. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make noise reduction for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.